Hello my dear students, myself Krutika Patel from Samarpan Gnyan School, Rata. Today we are going to continue with our topic of class 9 social science geography lesson number 3, that is drainage. We have already discussed a topic from this chapter, that is drainage basin and the river system of India. We are going to discuss it in this lecture. First, let us revise the topic we have already covered. We have seen what is drainage. It is a river system of India, and we have also seen the drainage basin, that is the area covered by the single river system. We have seen the drainage patterns, the pattern of rivers being flowing. So it depends on the slope of the land, also on the rock structure and the climate of an area. We have already discussed this. We have seen that there are 4 types of drainage pattern, that is dendritic drainage pattern and terrace drainage pattern, also rectangular drainage pattern and radial drainage pattern. The brief introduction of this pattern is already discussed in our previous lecture. You can see this, that how does this patterns have the river system. Now today we are going to start with our topic, that is the drainage system in India, which is mainly divided into 2 parts, Himalayan rivers and Peninsula rivers. Let's have a look at the difference between these 2 river systems. Here is Himalayan rivers. They originate from the glaciers, and here Peninsula, they originate from the plateaus. Here the catchment area is very large, whereas it is very low over here in Peninsula. It has been engaged in very high erosion activities. Peninsular rivers do not have so much erosion. They are having low erosion activity. These are useful in irrigation. They are not so useful in irrigation. They are perennial. Perennial means they have water throughout the year, and here they are not perennial. You can see this Himalayan rivers. The first topic which we are going to start in today, that is Himalayan rivers. Himalayan rivers originate from the glaciers. Now these are the ice mountains, Himalayas. Here there are glaciers, and from here they start flowing, and you can see how they end over here in the ocean. Let me show you different pictures of Himalayan rivers. You can see how they flow from the rocks. You can see from the mountains how these rivers are coming between the mountains river. See how they form the oxbow lake, how zigzag way the river is coming from the Himalayan mountains. So we are going to talk about the Himalayan rivers. There are 3 Himalayan rivers, that is Ganga, Brahmaputra and Indus. These 3 altogether are known as Himalayan rivers. Now let me give you a small introduction on Himalayan rivers. First of all, they are perennial. They have water throughout the year. These rivers receive water from the rain as well as from the melted snow. The 2 major Himalayan rivers, the major rivers are Indus and Brahmaputra, originating from the north of the mountain ranges. These rivers are very long and are joined by many large and important tributaries. They cut through the mountains making gorges. I have already shown you that in the picture. They have long courses from their sources to the sea. They have a big journey to do. So let's have a look at the first river system, that is the Indus river system. Here it rises in Tibet near the Mansarovar lake. Which are the tributaries of this river? Chenab, Satluj, Jhelum, Rav and Basin. Now what is this? Tributaries. The different areas they reach, the name becomes different. See, from here it starts and it divides its road from here to here. So the way it goes, the name of the river changes. Here it becomes Jhelum, here it becomes Chenab, Rabi, Basin. You can see the Satluj and many other names. Indus originated in Tibet. It enters in India in the Ladakh district of Jammu and Kashmir. Now the Ladakh is Union Territory. Main tributaries are also Zakar, Narub, Zai, Hunza. These are also the tributaries which join Indus. After flowing to Baltistan and Gilchit, the Indus emerges from the mountain, and they have different other names too. Indus is 2,900 kilometers long. Indus is very gentle and slow. A little over 1/3 of Indus Basin is located in India, in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Punjab, and other rest portion is in Pakistan. You can see it in this map. This is the river system of Indus. I don't think it is clear to you. It will be shown to you later again. The next river system, that is Ganga. Ganga is the largest river in the Indian continent, flowing east through the Gangetic plains of the northern into Bangladesh. Where does it go? It goes to Bangladesh. It is 2,500 kilometers river rising in the Gangotri glacier. Here is the details of the Ganga river system as told in the previous slide, that is originated from the Gangotri glacier. It has major tributaries like Yamuna, Ghagra, Gandok and Koshi. Yamuna originates from Yamunotri glacier in Himalayas. It meets Ganga at Allahabad. Chambal and Betwa are the other tributaries to it. After taking water from various tributaries, Ganga flow towards east till Farakka in the West Bengal. Here the main streams flows into the Bangladesh, and here, as I told you, its major total length is 2,500 kilometers. Here is the Ganga river basin system. You can see, I hope maybe it is clear to you. You can see it, you can make it out. The sources of the Ganga river, from where does it start, where does it goes. This is a blur image, but you can see this is Ganga river. You can see the different water. Where does Ganga and Yamuna meet each other? Now we come to Brahmaputra River. See, from here it starts. The name over here is Yalung, and in India we call it Brahmaputra. Here it rises in the Tibet, east of Mansarovar. It flows eastwards parallel to the Himalayan ranges. On reaching the Namcha Barwa, it takes U-turn. When it reaches Namcha Barwa, it takes U-turn and enters in India in the Arunachal Pradesh through a gog. It has tributaries called the Bong Lohit. Here is more details about the Brahmaputra River, that it is in the east of the Mansarovar lake. It enters in India through a gog when it reaches Namcha Barwa, and it makes a U-turn. And unlike in the North Indian rivers, Brahmaputra gets huge deposit of silt on its bed. This results in the rising of the river belt, and so the river belt rises. The water of the river rises due to the huge deposit of the silt. So here you can see the Brahmaputra river system, and with this we come to an end of our today's topic, that is Himalayan rivers, Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. With this we end with our today's video lecture. In the next video lecture we will see the next topic, that is Peninsula rivers. Till then, bye bye.